some would know. Not a nickel to love. Could it be really pretending that they're not alone? Oh well, oh deeply scarred, somebody